Running a business comes with risks. Let's look at how business insurance helps protect your company from unexpected financial losses. Insurance is essentially a strategy to transfer specific financial risks from your business to an insurance company. Studies suggest a high percentage of small businesses operate without enough protection, which can be dangerous if a major claim occurs. Most companies start with general liability, but professional services often need additional coverage for mistakes or service failures. Understanding the timing of your coverage is vital, as some policies only respond if the claim is filed while the policy is active. Premiums vary wildly based on your industry, location, and the amount of coverage you choose to carry. View these premiums as a cost of doing business, helping ensure you can stay open even after a major setback. Review your specific risks with a licensed agent to find the right fit for your needs. Thanks for watching and stay informed.